What you mean? Hey.
Damn, what's up, guys?
Hey.
Yo.
Tell them what they're doing. Tell them what you're doing, Lalo.
I'm prepping, making sure I got everything before the vlog starts.
The grinder's out, and if you guys can't tell by now what's gonna go down, y'all have some issues. No, I'm just kidding. If anything, that means y'all haven't been watching. But actually, Lalo's car hasn't been on the vlog in a minute. Very sad. Damn, this shit looks hella rusty, but it's not. No mames. This car's about to transform, so you know, let's get a full. Cause it's been about 2 years since we started the rap, and I have here. Check out this clip. This is literally 2 years ago.
Cheers, motherfucker. You're going from one like this, slowly. Our first time rapping a car, and Lalo decided to use a torch.
Hell yeah, bro.
Hey.
I'm sitting Montoya, look.
Nice. Look at that. That's smooth as hell. Look at that.
Brandon's over here coaching us, guys. It's gonna look badass.
Tell them, Lalo, they ain't ready for this yet.
He ain't ready, bro.
See, 2 years ago, still nothing done. Wait, he has a little bit of the wrap still. God damn. This car's been sitting, like, dude. I'm gonna show you guys how shitty this thing looks. Dude, it's a shit box. I'm being honest. But this thing is gonna transform. Like, fuck, man. Y'all think we can, huh? But damn. Things looking good. Gotta remember, Lalo has the dual exit, two cannons, one right here, another one down here. They need a little bit of a lining up. We'll work on that. Other than that, this car's still, you know, still looking like.
Stop judging, man. We're getting there. We're one at a time.
Hey, at least you have this. We gotta cop this for our cars.
Guys, if you guys haven't told by Tito, I don't know if he's told you guys, but
I didn't tell him about the white body yet.
it's finally day we put some hands on this baby. Hi, that's it. Alright guys, now's the time.
Yeah.
Finally. After 2 years, we're back at it again with another goddamn video. This shit, we're not gonna install it today, but we're gonna prep it.
We're gonna prep it. We're gonna get it ready. What we're gonna do is place it on. This is the driver's side fender. So this is where I'm gonna place it on, and how I start this one. Start from the bottom here in the corner. You see it here? You want it nice and flush, cause this thing goes in. We're gonna start off by cutting off this piece. Okay. So we can actually fit it on, and that's gonna go. This side is gonna come out. I'm gonna release all that, just so this can go. We'll just better safe than sorry. We'll cut a little closer. We're just gonna cut off that little square because this thing kind of goes in, so we cannot get the kit flush.
Right, yeah.
So we're gonna cut that piece of square out, and we're gonna do that to the other side as well.
It looks pretty easy. Just like a fucking square, that's it.
And then the higher the better, because we're gonna lose all this. This is just a mimic or a little sketch, but you gotta tape it down to get
Right on the line or what?
Yeah, like that.
Alright. And then you said this line?
Yeah.
Or the top one, huh?
Try to save all the tape, right? Because we don't got that much.
Look, you said save all the tape? We got you. Little corner right here.
There you go. That's what we need.
Oh yeah. Face shield right here.
Sweet.
Just flip your hat backwards. Or you need to cut my hair too, Tito. And then
You get yourself a nice
grinder. Some Harbor Fries. Tomorrow, thank you, tomorrow. Love you, dog.
coming in clutch. But when you cut that piece right there, then you should. Oh, I have to move this thing out of the way. Move the line out of the way. See how it lines up. It needs to go more lower, huh?
I'm just gonna cut it down more, so
Yeah,
just a little bit more so it could sit flush.
I'm gonna make sure this kit comes out A1, because if you guys don't know, well, now you'll know. When we did my first kit, when we did my body, my wide body, it was my first wide body kit. But now I'm feeling more confident, and I'm gonna make sure this one comes out A1. So let's get it. So I ended up taping this up, make sure it comes in, grabs it in. Everything sits pretty freaking flush. I'm looking very happy with this side. So right now we're gonna start drilling.
No, I don't want to fucking crack that shit.
Told you.
That's not what you want to do, guys.
Just change the bit. Alright, we got the first hole down. We're changing the bit so we can go in quicker. But so check it out. We're gonna put these screws in so it can hold down. It holds pretty good, nice and solid. Now we gotta do the next ones.
You know, we're almost there, Tito. It would be fairly easy.
I'm just kidding.
Just because he has already done it once, like he said. So
Kind of get the idea of how to do this.
So if you guys don't know, you guys can watch the other video and this video, and then you guys get a better, even more idea. I'm excited. One step at a time. We're ready.
There you go.
They're not rivets, guys, okay? I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But either way, whatever I decide to do, I can fill them in or whatever, you know? So, what do you guys think? Rivets or mold? I don't know. You comment.
Wait, I do look fat in the last video.
Wait. Alright. Now we can take this shit off and fuck around with that shit.
Actually, you gotta measure like this much. Alright, let's take off the kit. Let's take out the kit. Hold on. Wait, let me do some magic. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, so we took off the kit. Now we are just gonna figure out what we need to cut.
So we got it all taped up, masked up, ready to go ahead and cut. We're gonna start cutting the inside of this. So alright, all the way around and then down. Get this cleaned up and pretty good. Great.
I feel ready to go low. I've never had a low car in my life, so I'm like, damn, I'm ready to go low. You had your Honda, and that shit was low, so.
No, hell no. I mean, it was nice.
Yeah, so we're most likely shooting for dropping 2 vlogs a week for you guys, Wednesdays and Sundays. I'm gonna show you guys that we're starting on my car finally, because it's been probably 2 years.
It's about 2 years.
Yeah, you know, fuck, you know, shit. I'm pretty happy, you know.
Yeah.
Pretty happy, you know. So
don't ask why it took him this long. We're just doing it.
Just don't ask why. Just don't ask questions. We ain't asking questions here. We're just doing it. Now we're moving to the back.
Yeah, that's looking really good. So we got this side on, nice and mimicked. This is the part where we're gonna go ahead and go with this body line right here, this crease, go all the way down. He's scared. This guy's really scared to do that. I went ahead and marked it up. Ooh, it looks very good. Check it out from this angle. You guys can kind of tell. See the line? Nice and straight. So we'll go ahead, we already marked it up. Right now we're just gonna go ahead and add the screws, make the holes. Then we'll take off the kit. And that's when we can actually cut that piece off, and you know what I mean? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and drill on the holes and everything. Same thing as the front. Damn. This is gonna look good, Lalo. Ooh, look at that straight line. Damn, look at that.
So I'm kind of scared of cutting this, but Tito says he's got it, but...
Bro, I'm feeling so good and confident on this kit. Like, after my last kit. Oh, we got Gemma over here.
Shooting in for the wide body performance build, son.
This guy's my detailer. I haven't got a detail yet because my car is ugly. My car is ugly, so we haven't hit him up yet for detail. But this guy details, so check him out right here.
Hit me up.
Well, as you guys can see, this was blue back then. It was. Now it's... I'm definitely not appreciative of what I got. But we'll get to that. Look, that's my dirty ass test pipe that you can barely see now because it's... Woo! So sad. I think that is gonna do it for this vlog at least. So that's how it came out. We did the one side, driver's side.
We'll call this starting it off.
We'll call this, what did he say? Chapter 2, or what? Chapter 2.
Starting off Lalo's wide body. Nah, I put it on my story. You guys have me on Instagram. I put chapter 1, page 2.
Put in the comment section down below what do you think would look better on this rivet or mold, or what should we do?
I already know what's gonna happen.
That's gonna do it for this video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep with the movement and stay lit, fam.